Benefits such as comfort, safety, and clean use make the Hydrophilic Cure catheter a great choice for men and children. The Hydrophilic Cure catheter package contains a packet of purified water for mess-free, stain-free use. Begin by releasing the purified water within the package to activate the hydrophilic coating. There are several ways to do this. One method is to fold and compress the packet. Another option is to fold the packet against a hard surface and apply pressure. Once the hydrophilic coating is activated, it becomes smooth and slippery for a comfortable cathing experience. The large flaps enable opening with less effort. Open the catheter package just enough to expose the funnel end. Peel off the adhesive cover to temporarily adhere the catheter package to a vertical surface. With clean hands, remove the catheter from the package by the funnel end. A gripper sleeve prevents direct contact with the catheter for controlled, clean use and reduce risk of exposure to bacteria that can lead to infection. The Hydrophilic Cure catheter tip features smooth, polished eyelets for comfort. This magnified image shows an eyelet on a Cure medical catheter compared to eyelets on two other national brands. The difference in eyelet quality is clearly seen, and it can be felt. Using the gripper sleeve, insert the catheter tip into the body. Gently slide the catheter into the bladder until urine begins to flow. When the bladder is empty, simply remove and dispose of the catheter. For your convenience, the Hydrophilic Cure catheter for men is available as a single and as a kit with insertion supplies. The portfolio of Cure Medical intermittent catheters includes traditional and innovative styles of exceptional quality and value for men, women, and children. They always feature smooth, polished eyelets and are not made with potentially harmful chemicals such as DEHP, DINP, BPA, or natural rubber latex. Request product samples today.